Hello friends, Namaste and welcome to Sil Sunshine Yoga. In today's video, we will discuss about how to accumulate more wealth just by doing a small change in our life. Just a small change in our way can help us to get more wealth. Yes. So firstly, there might be many people who will be telling you that in the name of spirituality, money is not good. Money is evil, money is a devil. Please do not run after money. And if you accumulate more wealth, life will be lifeless. Well, that's not fact. Money, like all other source of energy, is also a great source of energy. Take the natural source of energy like the sun, the moon, the other natural sources, the wind, oxygen. Money is also a big energy source, and we all need money. No one can ignore on that. Money is an energy, as I told you. It is such an energy that it can turn a powerful person to a more powerful person, an ass to an asshole as well. So we need to remember that in order to accumulate more wealth, the changes which we need to make are, number one, just keep in mind the smile in our face and the word investment. We will come to this in the later part of the video. Now, in order to understand how to earn more money, let's go back to the barter system in the olden days, where people used to exchange commodities. Suppose if you want to have the food for the day, if you have a bow and an arrow, you'll be exchanging your bow and arrow for the food. Now here, one important thing was that people in those days always used to have a smile in their face. And whenever they used to exchange anything, they always had an intention in their mind that whatever they are doing, it is doing for good. And that good will come back to them again in 10 times more way, or 100 times, or 1,000,000 times more way. Just take an example. Suppose a person wants to start a dairy farm. He wants to get 2 cows, and he owns a bag full of rice. So what he will be doing, he will be taking this bag full of rice to a person who can give him 2 cows. They will exchange it with an intention that the bag full of rice which he is giving will come back again to him in different ways, in multiple folds, in 10 times more way or 100 times more way. And whenever he is giving it, he keeps in mind that he has a smile in his face. Now when we come back to our modern days, we have to pay our bills, we have to pay our rents. Always keep in mind that whatever you are paying it should be for the well-being of the society. And whatever you are paying, it should help the people and his family as a whole. And remember, whenever you are paying this bill, you should have a smile in your face and always think that it should do good to others. Now, one more word which we are adding here is the word investment. In olden days, whatever people used to exchange, they always used to think that they are not giving it away, they are investing it. Suppose the cow which he got it from the person, he is giving a bag full of rice. He is investing that bag full of rice with a belief, with an intention that he will get this in a different ways, in multiple folds. In modern days as well, whenever you pay your bill, whatever you pay, you should always keep in mind that you are not wasting the money, you are just investing the money so that in the future you get it in return. So this is a very important lesson. Now whenever you are having the money, whenever you are having this source of energy, whenever you get this money, you can always use it for the well-being of the society, for the people you know or you may not know. Keep this in mind. I hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you.